In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated presentations with Canva Magic Design. We'll start from the Canva homepage and let Magic Design do the heavy lifting. Then fine-tune everything to match your message and style. First, head to the Templates section. This is where Canva gathers thousands of professionally designed options, and it's also where Magic Design starts to shine. By beginning with templates, you're tapping into layouts that the system has already matched to common presentation needs, so you're not starting from a blank page. Next, use the search bar and type Presentations. This tells Canva to focus on slideshow-ready designs. You can add a keyword that reflects your topic, like pitch, lesson, report, or portfolio, to help Magic Design surface styles that feel tailor-made. The results you see aren't random. They're curated suggestions that balance layout, typography, and color in ways that typically work well together. Now, take your time browsing through the templates. Click into a design to preview multiple slides and get a sense of the overall flow. Look at the number of pages, the visual tone, and how the content areas are structured. If your topic is complex, favor templates with clear headers, consistent spacing, and slide types for titles, sections, and visuals. The goal here is to pick a foundation that already does most of the visual thinking for you. When you've found a match, select Customize this template. This opens the editor with your chosen slides preloaded. Behind the scenes, Magic Design has assembled a cohesive set of pages so you can move straight to tailoring the content. If the template offers color variants, choose the one that best fits your brand or mood. From here, you can edit the template to make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with your key points, keeping titles short and scannable. Adjust fonts and colors to align with your brand for a consistent look across slides. Swap images by dragging in your own photos or selecting from Canva's library, and use visuals that reinforce your message rather than distract from it. Rearrange or duplicate slides to match your narrative, and delete any you don't need. If a layout feels crowded, increase spacing or break content across 2 slides to improve readability. Aim for one main idea per slide, use contrast for emphasis, and keep margins generous so everything feels balanced. As you refine, skim through the deck to confirm the pacing makes sense, and the visual style stays consistent from start to finish. And that's it. With templates guiding your starting point and Magic Design shaping a cohesive look, you've built a polished AI-assisted presentation that's ready to share.